In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your design in Polotno the right way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the resize controls, how to pick the perfect dimensions, and how to make Polotno adjust your layout automatically so you don't spend time fixing each element by hand. First, head over to polotno.com. Once your canvas is open, look toward the top menu and click File, then select Resize. If you don't see it there, check the left sidebar for a resize option. The app may show it in either place, but it's the same tool and works the same way. When the resize panel opens, you have two straightforward paths. If you want something fast and standardized, choose a preset from the dropdown. Presets cover common formats, like an Instagram post or an A4 page. Selecting a preset saves you from remembering exact dimensions and ensures your canvas matches platform or print requirements. It's especially handy when you're switching between social formats or preparing a design for documents and flyers. If you prefer full control, you can manually type in your desired width and height. You'll see fields where you can enter the numbers, and Polotno will apply them to the canvas. Before you confirm, take a moment to double-check the unit labels displayed next to the fields so your measurements match your intended output. For example, make sure you're entering pixel values for screen graphics or the correct print dimensions for documents. Now here's the key to saving time after a size change. Make sure Magic Resize is turned on if you want Polotno to automatically reposition and scale your elements. With Magic Resize enabled, your text, images, and shapes will generally adapt to the new canvas size, keeping your layout balanced and readable. If you decide to turn Magic Resize off, the canvas will change size, but your elements will stay put, and you'll need to manually adjust them afterward. That's useful when you want precise control of every layer, but be prepared to nudge items around and possibly resize fonts and images to restore a clean composition. Once you've chosen a preset or entered custom dimensions and confirmed your Magic Resize preference, apply the change. Take a quick look around the canvas and scan for anything that needs a minor tweak. Even with Magic Resize on, a quick polish can make the final layout look perfect. That's it, you've resized your design in Polotno using either a preset or custom dimensions, and you know when to rely on Magic Resize versus manual adjustments.